Chelsea, hurry up or we'll miss the flight. Come quickly.
Yeah, I'm here.
Great. Take your bags and let's go.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure this video clip was entertaining, but it also helps us put physics concepts into perspective. There are many day-to-day situations where we apply physics without knowing. One such is pulling a suitcase. Let me start by explaining what exactly work is. Work done by a force acting on an object is equal to the magnitude of the force multiplied by the distance moved in the direction of the force. Let a constant force F act on an object. Let the object be displaced through a distance s in the direction of the force. Let W be the work done. Work can be defined as the product of the force and displacement. Thus, work equals to force into displacement, or W equals to F into S symbolically. The work done by a force is zero if the displacement is either zero or perpendicular to the force. The work done is positive if the force and displacement have the same direction, and negative if they have opposite direction. Now, coming to the unit used for work. The SI unit of work is joule. Let us see how this was calculated. Since W is equal to F into S and the SI unit of force is Newton, while that of displacement is meter, the SI unit of work would be Newton into meter, which is Newton meter. Newton meter came to be known as joule. 1 joule is defined as the amount of work done when a force of 1 Newton is exerted through a distance of 1 meter. 1 joule of work is equal to 1 Newton of force into 1 meter of distance. Now, let us go back to Barbie's trip and the suitcase example. Barbie was pulling the suitcase in the forward direction, and thus the force exerted was in the forward direction. When pulling the suitcase moved a certain displacement ahead. Since the force and the displacement have the same direction, the work done will be positive in the forward direction, as seen in the video clip. Let us try using some numbers to understand this clearer. Suppose the force exerted by Barbie on the suitcase is 10 Newton and the displacement it moves is 5 meter. The total work done would be force into displacement, and using the values 10 Newton into 5 meter, which is equal to 50 Newton meter or 50 joules. I believe it's now time to bid goodbye to Barbie and Chelsea and wish them a happy trip to Floravia. Bye-bye! Oh look, here comes my sister, off to some fantasy playland of hers. Now, I will be showcasing negative work with the help of some pictures. I'm pretty sure all of us have come across a scene in a movie in which a superhero is trying to stop a train and the train is screeching over the tracks. In such a case, the force exerted by the superhero is in the opposite direction to the displacement that the train moves. Thus, over here, negative work is being done. Let us suppose Superman over here is exerting a force of 50 Newton and the train moves a displacement of minus 70 meter. So, the work done would be 50 into minus 70, which is minus 350 joules. That brings us to the end of this video, where work was explained thoroughly and in detail. I hope you liked it. Bye for now. Signing off, Aranya Misra.